Hey, welcome to my channel. On today's video, we're going to talk more in depth Webull. This is brought to you by freedom to freelance by info.com. Make sure you go there if you are looking to be free. All right, so let's get more into Webull on how to get free stock. If you watched my last video, that is more in depth with Webull promotions. But how to get free stock is simple. You literally just have to open an account, deposit any amount. When you do that, you'll get free stock. That's it. You just open an account with Webull. You'll get 2 free stocks, each valued up to $300. And once you deposit any amount, you'll receive additional free stock that is valued up to $3,000. Yes, $3,000. Don't sleep on it. Reward stocks are distributed from Webull inventory, so it's definitely a good investment. Yes, the stock market fluctuates, but what does? Of course, with anything you can lose money, right? Is it a risk? Possibly, but it can also be a gain. So it's good to take advantage of this because it's not going to last long, I'm sure. Due to market fluctuations, some stock values may drop at any time. So that's just out of our control. But the best part is how much to invest. The amount, whether that's $1, $5, or whatever. So as you see here, some of these stocks are for Litecoin, Bitcoin, XL Media. It's literally Zex Cash, AMC Entertainment. If you're a moviegoer, then you're probably very familiar. GameStar, if you like going to GameStar, you might be familiar with this stock. Tesla, if you have a Tesla, and Tough Build Industries. So many different stocks. The rules for free stock is this, okay? Pay attention. It does and can expire. So if you participate in a promotion, your free stock will be delivered to you, and you can see that on your My Rewards tab. You have to claim the free stock within 30 days. Otherwise, it will expire. So please keep that in mind. Any stocks left unclaimed will be returned back to Webull, and they will not reissue the stock. This, y'all, is my actual rewards that I got when I made my deposits of $5 and promotional bonuses. If you don't see your free stock right away, do not worry. Free stock can take up to 10 days to be credited on your account. Again, it will be on your rewards tab. So just give it some time, as it may take time to get there, but it's usually within 10 trading days after it is awarded that you'll see your free stock credited to your account. More importantly, you can sell your free stock. But watch my next video so I can tell you all about that. I hope you like. Make sure you subscribe, and I shall see you next time.